Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from Latam's business class amenity kit as of September 2025. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is the latest business class amenity kit from Latam. I found this on my 787-8 flight with the new business class. So there's the kind of transparent case. So you've got products of Brazil included in there. So you've got a moist towelette there, earplugs, got the bamboo toothbrush, which we're seeing popping up in a ton of amenity kits nowadays. The small little toothpaste, very small. I feel like you could brush your teeth maybe once or twice with that. You've got the finger lip balm and some facial cream. And you do have the eye mask. Note there are no socks. I lied, there are socks. Gotcha. So that's what you could expect in the business class amenity kit from Latam Airlines. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.